Alright, so Glory is going to try and do something creative with my hair by braiding it. I don't know what she's going to do, but I'm just going to leave it up to you.
How you acting all normal when you look like a mushroom cloud right now?
You really trying to take right now and try to roast me? Alright, yo, please, I don't want to be looking all crazy.
You're gonna be so happy.
I feel like you don't even know how to braid.
We'll see.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm just gonna freestyle. Alright, so
Wait,
the first step is to God! Oh, oh gosh! Do you put conditioner in this thing?
Oh.
Why is it? Wait, let me look at your face.
I've never seen a hairstylist. I've never seen a hairstylist look me dead in the face and go,
I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
You know.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it!
I'm really. Ow! That's coming out of your tip. You know, when you brush my hair, it feels like you're brushing it with a fork. Gosh!
Matt says that I have small hands, which is like ideal for braiding.
I mean, at least
Your hair smells really good.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, I got it. Where's the comb I gave you?
You didn't give me a comb. Oh, it's right here.
Stop!
Ew.
You're so dramatic.
I'm not.
I know it doesn't hurt that much.
It's crazy. You know they use the comb to cover the hair.
Oh.
Yes, you use that. Ow!
Okay.
Why? Why did the front?
Oh my god. I almost snapped your neck.
Why did you?
Okay, we'll do that over again. We'll do that over again. I see why you need small fingers for this. I give up!
So you made me undo all my hair.
I don't give up, but I want to.
Alright, are you getting the hang of it, you feel like?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, it's starting to feel a little bit how it's supposed to feel.
Wow, I'm proud.
You happy?
Yep.
I can't touch it?
Nope.
Dang, you grabbed my hair and then you... What the heck? My neck is going to get snapped.
No!
What kind of hairstylist is this that yells at their client? Feels like you're ripping my hair out of my scalp.
Does it still hurt?
Yeah. I've never had a hairstylist that dances while they braid.
We'll get 2 in 1.
Okay.
Wow! Okay! Okay! Okay. 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 Handy dandy comb.
This is a weird way of separating my hair. But I would say it feels a little good. It's like you scratch.
Like a massage.
Ow!
Why did that hurt?
Cause that one felt like you was digging in my head, like you was trying to find my thoughts. These cartoon laughs. Somebody's gonna make a soundboard of all of Glory's laughs and farts.
Oh, I would like
wait.
that actually.
Hold my head.
Because I don't want to lose a piece. Is your neck hurting?
I mean,
Because it's supposed to.
what do you mean it's supposed to? You're gonna have a newfound appreciation for braids.
I will. And no one's ever taught me how to like really braid. So you gotta give me some credit.
Why? Why?
Sorry. Look at you.
Ow! Torture.
Oh gosh, I'm almost done.
What do you mean you're almost done?
I'm almost done.
There's no way you're almost done.
Okay, fine. I'm not almost done. But I have to learn, because if we have like future children, I don't know what the texture of their hair is gonna be. Have you thought about that?
Just gonna let them walk out there, bushy and looking wild.
That's why I'm practicing on you first.
My head is gonna get stuck like this.
No, I'll give you breaks.
And I'm gonna walk around going, oh, hello there.
I'll give you breaks.
Great to see you. Ow!
Think, Glory, think.
I've never seen... This is all new to me.
trying to see what I need to do.
So you mean to tell me if you had a client in the chair, you would have done a couple braids and then go, okay, I see what I need to do here.
Well, yeah, if they told me to freestyle their hair, yeah. I'm sweating.
You barely did a lot.
Doesn't it feel good?
No, it does not. How much would you charge for your services? I'm just curious.
With my level of experience?
Yeah.
$20. What?
Alright.
You might actually be surprised. Like, all jokes aside, you might actually be really surprised.
Oh, I'll be surprised, alright.
I don't know if I have the patience to do the rest, so I might just take the easy way out. What can I do right now? Okay.
Are you trying to braid that big patch of hair?
Shh, just let it happen.
Oh my goodness.
I just don't have the patience to do the rest of your hair.
Do I look good? Then just let me know in the comments.
Oh my gosh. Wow! Wow! Wow.
Can I feel my hair?
No, not yet. I just need to know if I'm finished.
How do you not know you finished? You just looked at my face and went, wow! Ow, my hair feels so weird right now. Yo, what kind of hairstylist does this?
I need to look at all the angles.
You look creepy, like
No.
you about to. I feel like in any moment you gonna break my neck without me realizing it. I've never had someone press down the hair to stylize it. Why are you pressing down on my head? You gonna confidently tell everyone this is my fiance looking like this? Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. Thought that was one of those Who characters from The Grinch. I'm scared to see what I look like. Yo. Oh no.
I'll tell you where I got my inspiration from. Well, I just wish this thing would.
What the?
Sorry.
Why? Why are you doing
Do you have
this?
any toothpicks on you?
A toothpick? When can I see it?
Alright, how should we do this reveal? I have a mirror. Are you ready to see the final outcome?
Is it fire?
Yeah, actually.
Like, you think my mom would still be proud of me when she sees me?
Yeah.
You think she gonna still love me?
Of course, Matt.
Why you don't sound confident? I'm ready.
Okay, don't look yet. Alright. Look.
What the? Oh my gosh, yo. I'm not stepping out like this.
Maddie!
What the heck
It
did
looks
you
amazing!
Why I look like a little...
Maddie!
I look like a little girl.
No, Matt. Let me show you who my inspiration is.
I look like the dude from
no.
Don't Be a Menace.
This is my inspiration.
Yo.
This is okay. This is kind of funny, sure, but this is fire. Look. See, now that was my whole idea. You like it? It's actually not bad.
I look like a bootleg Princess Leia.
No, Maddie. You look beautiful. Actually, I'm really impressed though that I can do braids.
I mean, you know what? Yeah. I'm proud of you that you tried to do something that you've never done before. I'm actually proud of you. Even though my reaction doesn't seem like it, it's adorable.
Oh, thanks, Maddie.
What do you guys think? How did she do? Let us know in the comments. Yo, my back looks like that. You didn't even show me my back.
Maddie, it looks so good. Maddie, that's actually talent.
I look like somebody about to drive me somewhere. Ding, 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 ding. I look like a tricycle bike.
You're my tricycle baba.
Look like somebody got on me and was like, ding, 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 ding. And because you did this, I'm wearing this hairstyle down the aisle.
Okay, alright.
Oh man, well, I'm gonna go. Let me find a hat. As always, ninjas, I got the slice.
I got the rest. Ha ha